Hello everyone, Clifford from Artunas here. I'm so excited and awestruck today that going to be showcasing one of the most legendary JDM cars of all time, and I can literally hear the Eurobeat starting. This car is none other than the Toyota AE86, and what I have here is the Sprinter Trueno, and this car is really awesome. Actually, right now I'm like almost speechless, like how to even start the introduction about this car. I was just literally just staring at it for like the past 10 minutes and not sure what to do with it. So this car right here, as you know, is the legendary AE86 Sprinter Trueno, and it's got a really awesome kit all over it. White fenders, the Fujiwara tofu shop sticker, the Panda two-tone version, the black and the white. Basically, this car has everything. So I'm very excited to be showcasing and bringing this car to you guys, and also take you guys for a little drive with it and tell you, just show how it feels like to be in this, how it feels like to be sending tofu. And I am just really awestruck and very honored to be able to showcase this car to you guys. And just look at that. It's so amazing, isn't it? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go. Okay. Now I'm sitting in the car. So this is how it feels like to be in the legendary Takumi AE86. So this one has the digital upgrade for the tachometer, so it's digital, but it's got all the existing parts, and of course there are like a few carbon fiber parts as well. Or like you know that the time when you hear the Eurobeat coming up.
You try something.
What?
You lean your right hand like Takumi. Then you know why he does it.
You mean the J Chow guy? Yeah. Oh, like that?
Like you drive.
Oh, like this?
It's actually quite intuitive.
Like that? Oh, like this? Ah, like that. Yeah.
It's at the right height.
Right. So you feel like, hey, look at this. So now you feel how it feels like to be Takumi. Makes sense, huh? And actually, this car is pretty big to make out with. Now you know how it feels like, right? It's actually, you think it's quite small, right? But actually it's quite big. I mean, for two people.
But the lady need to lean over.
Yeah, the lady need to lean over, but you know it makes sense. And then this way, you know how he always drives, like he's so bored? So this height of this window sill is just nice. It's not too high, it's not too low, and it's got good, you can see everything, huh?
Yes.
So now you know how he does his blind attack. Because the windows are very big. In fact, there's not much blind spots. So it's actually very comfortable. this car. Low, it's low, but at the same time, it's big, and then this door is actually quite thin, so it feels very nice. I don't feel like going out now. I'm just gonna stay here and feel it. Wow. Can you feel the aura? Now I know why this car is worth so much.
You need to hear the aura.
Oh, yeah. Can I start the engine?
Start.
Alright.
Maybe give you a guess.
Okay, so I'm gonna start the engine right now. How did I just start it and then?
Just start it and give you a guess.
Wow. So that is how it feels like. Every morning you want to go send the tofu, you start the engine, you turn on the headlights, you let it run, and then you go for the tofu delivery. Well, in Singapore we don't have Akina, but you can go 99 Bands. South Buona Vista, but you can literally hear and feel the engine is just rumbling. This one is a 4AGE, right? 4AGE NA, individual throttle body, so you can literally hear it sucking in individually right now. Can hear it. Oh, I can understand why they say that the car lets you like be one with it. It's an old Corolla, but don't care about that. It gives you such feedback, like even just sitting down here. And because it doesn't have any electronics, so when you step on the gas, it's basically the cable just does it itself. You hear that? Instant, no weird throttle positioning stuff, no digital stuff. It's just direct, instant. Wow, it sounds so good. Love it, love it. Alright, so what we will do now is go for a drive, and then share with you roughly how it feels like to be taking one of these cars. Alright, let's go. Right now, guys, bring guys for a drive in the AE86. It sounds as good as it looks, basically. And the feeling of driving this, in this car itself, the legendary aura is there already. You just feel it, hear it, and it's got aircon. That's good. Doesn't sound easy to drive.
It's not.
Yeah, it doesn't sound easy to drive. This is only one of 4 in Singapore, by the way, so literally serial number 1 of 4, right, in a way. Yeah, so here the NA throttle, individual throttle body. Oh, that sound is just awesome, isn't it? I think this car, when it's driven on the road, you get a lot of stares from everyone.
Random thumbs up.
Yeah, there'll be random thumbs up. There will be like
People chase you.
Look, this is the owner.
Chase you to take
Yeah. So I have Issac here with me. That's the owner of this dream car for many people. He's really one of the best. I think this is like his dream car.
Yes.
Yeah, I can
This
tell.
is what got me into cars.
Yeah. I think this is what got many people into cars.
Yes.
Like literally, he is driving the dream right now, and just now when we were filming, there was already just someone that just suddenly just comes in and decided to sort of photobomb us. But that's what you get for driving this sort of car. And again, you get a lot of stares because this is definitely not one of those cars that you will find on the road. But hear that individual throttle body. Hear that? Sounds so good. Oh, ref matching.
Yeah.
Ref matching.
That's the only way to drive this car.
Oh yeah. If not you stall, right?
Drive it like
also fulfilled my dream of sitting in one.
Yes.
Actually, I couldn't like sort of believe that I would be able to sit in one day.
Me neither.
Yeah, but what made you really want to buy it? Why?
I just had to have it.
You just had to have it.
Just had to have it.
When was the first time you saw an AE86?
Actually, when I bought this car.
Serious?
Yeah.
But before that, I think
No,
you're
I never
just
seen it. I never seen it.
you've never seen one.
Yeah.
So before this, this was the first time
you
you've
can-
seen one.
You can
and-
imagine the shock when I see it. Because I was just, oh shit.
Oh shit! Just like how I felt when I first saw it as well. I was in awe. I don't even know what to do. I was like in a total state of disarray. Then but so when you saw it, you say you must get it.
Yeah. I asked the guy, how much is this going for?
and so after that you just get it.
Yeah.
And I think one other thing is that I assume the first time you saw AE86 was the initial D.
Yeah.
That's
It's
everyone,
what
isn't
most
it? So do you feel like you're Takumi every time you're driving it? Hear that?
Yes.
Yes! So worth it! Whoa! Oh gosh, this is...
That is 5,000 up here. It can go to 7.5, but I have no heart to do it.
Yeah, but listen to this car. It's so awesome! No words to describe, really. No words to describe. It's... Oh goodness.
If you all get a chance, buy one. Then you will know what I'm talking about.
If you can find one.
Yeah, you can buy one.
If you can find one. Oh gosh. I must say this is one of the... Oh gosh, ecstasy, man. You know what? I want to get one.
Oh, a Lamborghini.
Yes. Gosh, I said an Aventador. It doesn't feel anything like this. I mean, I'm smiling all the time,
This is what
dude.
this is what you buy if you want your money to bring you happiness.
So money can buy happiness.
Yes, money can buy happiness.
Money and an AE86 can buy you happiness.
You must buy the right car.
True. That's true. I agree. Oh god, this is so heavenly. Are you gonna drift this car?
Huh?
Have you tried drifting?
No way.
Oh no. Oh sorry.
I'm too scared.
He's got water inside here, so sometimes he might just decide to put some water.
And spill it everywhere.
Yeah, I think can try coffee. Can try putting coffee
Yeah,
inside.
it doesn't work. I'm not Takumi.
Yeah.
The moment you move off, all the water
It just
come
spills out?
I tried. Did
Right.
that.
So he's got a cup holder, but it's empty, obviously. So
Because it doesn't work.
yeah, and then we don't have tofu behind,
Yeah.
but you can really imagine it. Have you ever? Okay, I must ask you one question. Have you ever played Eurobeat and drive this car?
Yes.
Oh god.
Actually, it's a dangerous attempt.
Yeah.
Just don't do it.
Can you imagine? Let's you on Eurobeat like dogfight or something like that.
Yes.
I think you will go
Just
off the hook,
dangerous. Yeah.
right? I'm sure.
I tried it before.
Oh gosh, I can imagine that will like literally just push you.
Too much.
No, dangerous,
Too much good vibes.
especially at night.
Yeah. But you can't go very fast in this car. You thought you were speeding like just now.
Yeah.
That was barely 60.
Serious? Okay. So it's not bad. You get to feel
You get to
the.
experience the car without breaking the laws.
That's what I was about to say. Zizi, you hear it? Oh. Ah, but it's only 60.
Yes.
Ah, but it's only 70. Hey, that's good.
That's good.
That's good. That's what we all want. Like, make you feel happy, drive.
Modern car, you push it a bit. When it's getting fun, you're breaking out the law.
That's true.
Yes.
This one is the
This is the Ital Volante.
Ital Volante, right?
Yeah.
So that's the Ital Volante steering wheel.
But I bought another one because
It's strangely quite small.
it's very small. It's 320 mm.
So Takumi's one is exactly this one?
Yeah.
Oh really? Oh, so
It's
small.
small so you can turn faster.
Ah. In the anime it looks big.
Because it's a different shape. The one in the anime is a different version.
Oh, it's like a T shape, right?
Yeah, it's a
I see. And then the owner previously changed it to the electronic display. Like a S2000's display. And it's so cool, you can literally see the RPM just sort of I just show you guys, like literally you can see it. The RPM is just like turning up and it just keeps going up. So it's so cool, like, and the display is so accurate. It's amazing. And even the temperature display is digital as well.
Yes.
And the fuel, wow, it's damn high tech.
Yeah. For its time.
For its time. And this is genuine 1980s technology. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video and this drive with Isaac and myself in this AE86. I know I've been enjoying the whole drive. It's just such an awesome car to finally see it in person, to finally feel it in person, and to sit inside it. It's totally different from what you see in like best motoring or hot version or anywhere else, right?
There's a lot of legend to live up to, but
yeah,
it does live up to the legend.
But you see, even like this thing, this takes you train your arm strength as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks for this drive, sharing this beautiful AE86 to the world.
Yes.
And also sharing some thoughts about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe and like the page. Helps me to create more content for you guys. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.